Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily install and start playing Valorant on your PC. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to playvalorant.com and open this tab. Now here you can press play for free. And here you can sign into your Riot Games account. Let's say you don't have one, simply press make one and start making one. Now I'm going to sign in real quick, I'll be right back with you. Now once you've signed into your account, you can simply press the big download button and the .exe for Valorant will start. Now simply press the Valorant exe, press yes. And from there you can close down the browser. Now as you can see, the wizard starts, simply press install and it will start the installation process. Now once the Riot Games Valorant game has downloaded and installed, I will be back with you. Now as you can see, the Valorant game has been downloaded on my PC. Here do you want to allow public and private networks to access? Press allow. Now here you can sign into Riot Games. Now let me sign in real quick with your Riot Games account because you can play the game from out your Riot Games launcher. Now once you've signed in, you have to accept the terms of services, so simply scroll all the way down and from there press accept. Now as you can see right here, we have the Valorant game. Here you can press install and from here you need to create a game ID. So simply create one. How to tag simp. And from there use a random tagline, press create. Now from there the Riot Games ID for your Valorant will be created, and as you can see here we can press install again. Now here you can create a desktop shortcut, choose the language you wish to like, and here you can enable or disable auto updates. Now from there you can press install, press yes, and now the installation process will start. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, it starts to process my installation and right now it's been downloading. Now once it has been done downloading, I will be right back with you for the next step. And once the installation process of a Valorant is ready, as you can see here, your game requires a system restart to play. So I will restart my PC and I'll be back with you when I can open up a Valorant. Now whenever you open up your Riot Games launcher, here you have a Valorant and you can play Valorant from out here. Simply press play and then Valorant should start and open up on your device. Now as you can see, Valorant just loaded up on my system and right here it's starting its first ever opening up, and here you can start playing Valorant. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helped me out a lot, and thanks for watching.